Hey guys, Mike here from Rust Bros. Buddy Tony's on holiday, so I'm going to abuse him.
Yeah.
Here's the plan. It's 2 days before Christmas. We had a huge mud pit here, so my buddy dropped off some gravel, but unfortunately the skid steer's on that side of the pile and the bucket's on this, so I'm hoping should just be able to walk over these. We're going to grab this bucket. Of course, I might have to move this first. And then we're going to try and get some of this stuff out of our neighbor's yard before they send me warning letters. We've got to get the El Camino put on this trailer because I need that deck trailer. Going to fire up the Ford, get it back in the yard. Are you listening to all this, Tony? Taking notes?
Yeah, totally.
Okay, then we can pump the air up of this trailer. This is the race car. I want to get that trailer back in the yard. The El Camino back in the yard. The truck in the yard. What else we got out here? This is going to the dump. And then we can try and get the Celica GT in the yard, Challenger in the yard, and the 66 Malibu, which is getting restored, into the shop. And maybe we'll get the Blazer. If we can find some tires. Drag it in. What do you think? Can we do that in 4 or 5 hours?
Sure, yeah. Well, it's a beautiful day, so let's use it.
Okay, let's first things first. What a mess we have here. Yeah, I don't know how we're going to get this on there, but it's got to go on that trailer because this one has plates, that one doesn't.
Yeah, this will be a little bit of work.
Well, I'm thinking, Tone, I lent Greg one of those things, right? Because basically we had it sitting there on if we can find one of my motor carts,
Yeah.
we just put the front end on that, and then we can park that trailer
Right.
end to end.
Roll it.
And then basically I can just slide this off
Yeah.
and then back this trailer under it and drop it down, right?
Yeah, that probably
I'm
works.
thinking, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay,
basically.
anyway, well, we'll see how far we get. Ooh, 64 months out of my SS. That stuff's got to go back in the, oh man, what a mess. Hey, let's just see what,
Oh, yeah.
come on,
Okay,
Tone.
what kind of fail can you have,
What
right?
kind of fail can we have? Let's just, hang on, maybe we'll just let it run and we'll see.
Of course.
Well, yeah.
While you're laying on your side, it'll be great. Great picture.
Tony, don't jinx me. Don't jinx me, buddy. You need to do is get 2 tires with no rims, slip them over the forks. That way, if you just push with the fork, you don't have to worry about slipping on. Like here, those are good tires, eh? Yeah, whatever. Well, we got one. We'll just kick the forks in a bit.
That one being used?
Okay, grab one. Yeah, throw it on there.
Brand new.
Okay. How about that one? What's that big one there? That one's brand new too, but we'll use it. Yo, Mark, give me some good news. Okay, well, Stick them right here. Just shove it right in beside the truck. Yeah, shove them right back, both of them.
Behind
Tony.
the truck?
Yeah, but put them right back. Yeah, no, shove them right back, and then I'll just go underneath, right?
Oh, that's what you're gonna do.
Yes. Well, that way I can't hurt nothing. Otherwise, I could impale something.
Well, not with the tire on there, you can't.
Yeah, I can. Just watch. Okay, great.
There.
Are they there? Are they stood up?
No, they're not.
Oh, okay. Okay,
They're
can you
not
stand them up?
They're not going to stand up. Back up. Okay, well, lift up. Okay, come ahead.
Are both of them up?
Lift them up a little bit, yeah. Okay, come ahead. No, hold it. You're pushing them something, man.
Okay. Okay.
They're not going to stand up that way.
Okay.
Go ahead now. I got one stand up.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Tony, beside the truck. Yeah, over in the hole.
Hold on. Steering lock. Steering lock.
Oh, look under the carpet. Got it?
Yeah.
Well, he drove it in here without the steering being locked. I guess
No,
it.
it didn't lock.
Okay. Okay. What's going on? Oh. Okay. Hang on. Okay, I'll have to push it the rest of the way by hand. Oh, I was caught on the muffler. Hang on, wait a sec.
Right, getting cheaper, you damage.
I don't want to dent nothing. Let's just put, three of us should be able to push it in there, you think, Greg? Two of us are having a hard time.
Well, as soon as we hit the mud, we're having
Okay. As far as we can go, Tom. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll go grab the Challenger. We'll drop these tires off at the gate there. Hey, Greg, what does the floor look like on this thing? Hang on, I'll pick it up.
the frame rails were shot in it though.
Well, not shot. They need a little work, but hang on. How bad does the floor look?
It's all patched with tin everywhere.
Good, okay, I got a new one coming.
Garbage.
How's the front rails? The back ones needed a couple patches. You know, are they shot or repairable?
Front ones look okay.
Okay?
Yeah, the floor pans are all gone.
Yeah, well, whatever. Floor pan and trunk is standard treatment for these. Okay, do you need a shackle tone or not?
I'll go around the suspension on this.
Here, I'll give you the apparatus here. And now I got two shackles. Look at that.
Yeah, one on here.
No. I couldn't say no for 3,500 bucks.
Sweet.
Want to just kick those closer, Tone, and then we'll just rest it in the cradle, right?
Yep.
Took me years to train this guy. That's probably good, Tone, as long as it rests in there. Just don't want to wreck nothing.
Yep.
God knows I've wrecked enough. Whoa. Okay.
Okay, behind the Ford. Down.
Yeah, right behind the Ford. How much more? Okay. Okay.
Okay, I gotta get crawl underneath.
What's left? I think that's it for cars out there, except for the green one. It drives.
Yep. That's just moving the trailer around.
Okay, Tony, look in the motor see if one of those orange things is there, maybe.
Yeah.
You know, in the first.
Is that one a fat one or?
Oh, there's one right there. Eagle eye.
I know I saw one.
Eagle eye, Tony. We can straighten out with a hammer.
Fix with a fork.
Yeah, okay, Greg, let's fix it with a fork. Okay.
Use the back end here if you can.
Yep. Say when there.
Move that way. Because I was going to use this, eh?
Okay.
Body work, eh?
Blair would be proud of us here.
Okay, tilt back. Okay, come forward. Right there, go down. Right there. Right there. Down. Whoop. Up. Okay, back, hold it. Whoop, right there. Back down a little bit. Whoop. Come forward, just a hair. Right there. Down.
Tony. Here, want to hook one of those chains through that shackle? Oh, hang on, that shackle's too big. Where's the other? Where's the other?
The other car, so that.
Is it?
Yeah. That won't go through?
Hang on, or just hook it. Will the hook go in the hole?
Oh, that shackle won't go through though?
No, it's too big. Hang on here, just wrap it around it. See if it'll move. Here, wait a sec, Tone. Okay, wrap it around it. Lower?
No, you can't get lower. I'll just do that, it'll actually slip and tighten.
Yeah, just see if it'll move. Oh yeah, there we go. If I pick it up, I just gotta spin it around. Oh. Okay. Controls are dead, Tone. Okay. I need that. Grab that radio. It's factory. Look good in the hole. Maybe that windshield wiper motor. I bet you it works, Tony. And that piece too. Need that. It's all good, man. Richard rubbed off on me, Tony.
Please don't ever let him rub off on me.
Okay. Can we put a rim under the middle of it? Know what I mean, Tone?
Yeah, but it's the rim that's going to go to the garbage.
Well, I'll get it after I'm,
Let me do remember.
yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, is that?
Lift. There you go.
Okay, hey, I'll pick it up and grab that rim out from under it. Carefully. Jesus Christ, Greg. You guys should be getting danger pay. Maybe I'll just make 2 trips. Our work here is done.
Good job, you didn't break anything.
How long did that take, Tony? Okay, all we got left to do is fire up the green convertible, put it in the shop, and I can do that by myself. We've got the El Camino loaded on the other trailer. We've got Blair's and mine cab going to the scrap yard. Everything else is in the yard except for that truck, and I can fire it up and drive it in at my leisure. It's on propane. I mean, there's still a little bit of junk left around, but it looks a hell of a lot better than it did a couple hours ago. Thanks, Tone. Couldn't have done it without you and Greg.
Mike.
Perfect, man. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.